automation systems become obsolete. As the global service manager for a large automation company, I was responsible for motivating users to upgrade to new technology. I had worked to move existing customers from automation systems that were rapidly becoming obsolete. This just means that the original manufacturer has decided to no longer manufacture and support installed systems. Usually, there isn't an economic justification, ROI, to upgrade to a new automation system simply for new functionality. The only justification offered is that the equipment is no longer supported. You are offered no choice. Classic Automation was founded in 2003 to offer users an alternative. It started small and grew quickly. It was the largest home business that I've ever heard of. We had 6 employees and 10,000 circuit boards. We had circuit boards in every room of the house except for my children's bedroom. In 2006, we moved from the garage and dining room from my house to a larger facility on Monroe Avenue in the city of Rochester. We were growing organically by expanding our product lines and finding new ways to outmaneuver, upgrade, or else mindset. In 2013, we relocated to a much larger facility that provides the infrastructure for our high-tech test and repair labs and easy access for large shipments. In 2019, we outgrew the original warehouse and expanded, increasing our inventory capacity to over 500,000 items. In 2021, we introduced our own control system product line, Panelicity. This small but powerful controller simplifies process panel control. Our mission is to help keep the world's production running through spare parts and repair services for control systems, operator panels, and drives. We have already helped more than 25,000 customers in over 110 countries with over 15,000 orders annually. We focused on the technology and systems that we knew and continuously reinvested to provide more product lines and value to our customers. Today, we are constantly improving our infrastructure and processes to better serve our customers with more inventory, reduced lead times, more and intuitive test systems, streamlining processes and business systems, and increased employee training. We would like to thank our customers, our global supply chain of quality vendors, and our dedicated employees. Classic Automation has a highly talented team of dedicated professionals that will help lead the company into the future.